Hello, welcome back. This is the last installment for how to put in video transitions, titles, and effects on your video project. If you remember, I'm making this pie and dessert project here, and we put in the pictures already, we put in the audio already, and the last thing we're going to do is work on putting in some video effects, transitions, and credits. This can really make your video worth watching. So the first thing I would do is go down to the third choice on making titles or credits and put the title in right away. That allows you to work with the first few pictures a lot easier with Windows Movie Maker. So you hit Make Title and put title at the beginning of the movie, and then you go ahead and make up a title for it, Pie Project, and hit done, and it'll shove it in there. And of course, it gives you other options of how to modify the effects of the title project there. But after you've done that, you can then hit Video Effects, and it gives you all kinds of choices here. You just click on the picture you want to affect and drag it down on top of it. Now, the same thing works with video transitions. If there's a transition that you like, which most of the time you want to be consistent with your transitions in your videos, meaning you use the same one every time, unless you are trying to make, you're emphasizing effect in a certain part of the video. So for instance, if you probably wouldn't use the heart one for a Holocaust project, but let's say you were, you would drag it on that same picture, and you can always take a look-see on and check out your effects over here on the right-hand side of the video player of Windows Movie Maker. Again, I should have been clicking save every time I made a change to my project because of how odd our laptops are with using Windows Movie Maker. It locks up a lot because anything you do will be lost if it locks up. You then can use the Make Titles and Credits option to add the writing requirement for this project. You can decide to put it before the clip, on top of it. That rarely works if you put the writing on top of the clip. Believe me, no one can read it. So before or after. Typically, a lot of people put it before, and they have something that they're talking about on there, and then they show the picture. Like for instance, there are all kinds of pie. You would add that to your video, and as you can see, there are all kinds of pie. And then, oh, there's the pictures of some pies. Pretty cool. Makes me hungry. Okay, so that is our last and final installment on how to use the Edit the Movie section. Pretty simple stuff. The last thing you want to do is finish the movie. When you're completely done, you love it, it's perfect, it's excellent, you have to click here on Save to My Computer. You will lose points if I have to do this for you. So finish the movie, save to my computer, and you'll see this box will come up. You name it, most likely the name of your project. You save it, it defaults into your My Video file, and you hit next, and you hit next, and it will convert the film, your project, into a film. It will take a little while. It will run, for instance. I'll show it to you as an example. It will take a little while to save the movie, even something as short as the 4 pictures that I put on there. You just let it run. Do not do anything else on your computer while it's doing this. Otherwise, you could have problems. Alright, that's the end of this segment. Good luck with your projects, and keep working hard.